everybody who is not present today. Class secretary, please take note of the name and submit the name to me after our class. So as agreed upon last meeting, today we will have your assessment regarding our last topic, which is about sauces. So your assessment consists of 15 items identification type test. So if it is 15 items, the passing score is 11. Very good. Now, before we have your assessment, let's have a short review of our topic so that we can measure if there is really some understanding that is left on you regarding the topic. Okay, so sauces, as we have said, is one of the most important components of the dish. So it serves several functions such as enhancing the taste and adding moisture and succulence. Now for the remaining slides, there are several questions there. If you know the answer, please raise your hand for me to acknowledge. Okay, let's have the first question. That is a flavorful liquid, usually taken that is used to season, flavor, and enhance other food. Jante. Sauce or sauces. Very good. Next questions. We have two variations of sauces. What are those? The first one, it is made just before they are to be used. Let's have Jacqueline. Hot sauce. Very good. And the second one, they are cooked ahead of time. Let's have Clarice. Old sauce. Very good. Next question. Now, for this time, let's have the basic types of sauces. I believe we have 5. First question. Its basic ingredient is milk, which is thickened with flour and enriched with butter. Let's have Angela. White sauce. Very good. Next question. Its chief ingredients are veal, chicken, and fish broth, and thickened with blanc roux. Let's have Entrance. Velouté sauce. Very good. Next one. It is a rich emulsified sauce made from butter, egg yolks, lemon juice, and cayenne. Let's have Elaine. Hollandaise. Very good. Next one. It is a brown roux-based sauce made with margarine or butter, flavor, and brown stock. Let's have Eliza. Brown sauce, or the other name for that is Rosé. Espanol. Very good. Next, the last type of sauce. It is made from stock, either pork or ham, and tomato products, and seasoned with spices and herbs. That's the Lian. Tomato sauce. Very good. Again, let's not forget the 5 types of sauces. Let's repeat them one by one. First one is white sauce. The second one, velouté sauce. The third one, hollandaise. The fourth one, brown sauce or Espanol. And the last one, tomato sauce. Now let's proceed to the next part of the lesson. What do we call a desiccant sauce of the right consistency? Let's have who else? Maria Fatima. Thickening agents. Now, the starch granules are separated in 2 ways. We have 2 examples here. The first one, when mixing the starch with fat, the example is, let's have Angela. Roux. Very good. Next, mixing the starch with the whole liquid, the example is, Clarissa. Slurry. Very good. What about this one? It is a whole mixture of equal parts by weight of fat and flour. The subjective. Roux. So let's not forget that when making a roux, it should be always equal parts by weight of fat and flour. So if the fat is 1 cup, the flour should be 1 cup as well. Right? Next, let's proceed to the different types of fat used in making sauces. The first one. It resolves to finest sauces because of its flavor. What is that? That's a Angela. Clarified butter.